United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 163, Organs of the Council, 1. There are hereby established the following organs of the Council. A. An Economic Planning Commission. B. A Legal and Technical Commission. 2. Each commission shall be composed of 15 members, elected by the Council from among the candidates nominated by the states parties. However, if necessary, the Council may decide to increase the size of either commission, having due regard to economy and efficiency. 3. Members of a commission shall have appropriate qualifications in the area of competence of that commission. States parties shall nominate candidates of the highest standards of competence and integrity, with qualifications in relevant fields, so as to ensure the effective exercise of the functions of the commissions. 4. In the election of members of the commissions, due account shall be taken of the need for equitable geographical distribution and the representation of special interests. 5. No state party may nominate more than one candidate for the same commission. No person shall be elected to serve on more than one commission. 6. Members of the commissions shall hold office for a term of 5 years. They shall be eligible for re-election for a further term. 7. In the event of the death, incapacity, or resignation of a member of a commission prior to the expiration of the term of office, the Council shall elect for the remainder of the term a member from the same geographical region or area of interest. 8. Members of commissions shall have no financial interest in any activity relating to exploration and exploitation in the area. Subject to their responsibilities to the commissions upon which they serve, they shall not disclose, even after the termination of their functions, any industrial secret, proprietary data which are transferred to the authority in accordance with Annex 3, Article L4, or any other confidential information coming to their knowledge by reason of their duties for the authority. 9. Each commission shall exercise its functions in accordance with such guidelines and directives as the Council may adopt. 10. Each commission shall formulate and submit to the Council for approval such rules and regulations as may be necessary for the efficient conduct of the Commission's functions. 11. The decision-making procedures of the commissions shall be established by the rules, regulations and procedures of the authority. Recommendations to the Council shall, where necessary, be accompanied by a summary on the divergences of opinion in the Commission. 12. Each commission shall normally function at the seat of the authority and shall meet as often as is required for the efficient exercise of its functions. 13. In the exercise of its functions, each commission may, where appropriate, consult another commission, any competent organ of the United Nations, or of its specialized agencies, or any international organizations with competence in the subject matter of such consultation.